Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain why Australia is increasingly shifting from locomotives to trucks for freight transport. This change is driven by several key factors, including the evolving demands of logistics and the economic realities of maintaining extensive infrastructure. We'll explore how road transport provides greater flexibility and efficiency for certain types of cargo, especially for reaching remote areas. Understanding these reasons helps clarify the strategic decisions being made in Australian logistics. Trucks offer significant advantages, particularly in their ability to provide direct, door-to-door delivery. This eliminates the need for multiple transfers, saving time and reducing potential damage to goods. Australia's extensive road network allows trucks to reach a wider array of destinations, including many remote communities not served by rail. Furthermore, the flexibility of adjusting routes and schedules makes road transport highly responsive to changing market demands and urgent deliveries. While rail remains vital for bulk commodities over long distances, it faces challenges that favor trucking for other freight. Maintaining thousands of kilometers of rail lines and associated infrastructure demands substantial ongoing investment. The fixed nature of rail routes means goods often require additional road transport for final delivery, adding complexity and cost. Furthermore, rail schedules can be less flexible, potentially leading to delays for time-sensitive shipments compared to road options. This transition has broad economic implications, influencing job markets in both the rail and road transport industries. As Australia continues to develop, the balance between these modes of transport will likely evolve further, driven by technological advancements and environmental goals. While trucks offer flexibility, the long-term sustainability of freight movement will depend on integrating various transport solutions. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.